Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1. This is one prepping item I've had for a few years and I'm too afraid to use it. And rightfully so. A straight razor. In a grid down situation, you know, a lot of people will be able to shave for a little bit, but after that, they're going to go through their disposable razors, they're going to go through their Mach 3s, and then what are they going to do? I can go without shaving for 8-9 days, and after that, I hate the feel. I just want to get it off. And my wife doesn't like a beard, so for me, it's better not to have a beard. But let's talk about a grid down situation. If I'm staying clean shaven, and everyone else does not have shaving cream, and some people don't even have food, is it going to be funny? Is people going to look at me and say, why is he shaved all the time? Does he have a lot of stuff stocked up? Will it make my family a threat? Now, the people that I'm in my community very close, that's not going to be a problem right there. But if I venture out of my little perimeter of my community, it might. People might say, hey, we got to check that guy out if he's shaving and smelling good. When I'd go to the field for training for 30 days and I come home, you stunk. Even if you weren't in the field and other units were in the field and you bumped into them, you knew exactly who was in the field from a distance. You didn't have to get close to them. The smell of 30 days as an infantry soldier in the field with no shower, the only thing really you'd have is maybe a few baby wipes. The smell was unbelievable. So if you're planning on stocking shampoo, which I've stocked many years of shampoo, it's very cheap and affordable right now, and I mingle with people in a grid down situation, they're going to know I'm showering. So is it maybe wise, if you know you're going to be out in the community, not to shower for a week or so, or purposely wear dirty clothes so you don't give away that you are prepared? So, what do you guys think? Right now, I'm scared to death to shave with this, and rightfully so. That thing will put a hurting on you. But I need to learn because it might be down to that. Be honest with you, I probably wouldn't shave myself the first time I'd have my wife. She has very steady hands. My hands would be a little bit more shaky than hers. For all you guys that have shaved with these or are continuing to shave with these, what kinds of hints can you give us in the comments? I mean, there's shaving soap. They say you can use regular shaving foam. A lot of guys say no, if you're going to use this, you got to use this shaving soap. But it will work. So what are you guys planning on doing on shaving? Are you planning on just growing a beard? If you got a beard and you have to put on a mask, a pro mask or a military M40 or any civilian equivalent because of tear gas or any type of chemicals out there, you can't with a mask. So what is your plan? Are you going to stay shaven or are you just going to let it go? And do you think you'd be a security risk if you're out in public and you're nice and clean and you smell good? Let's start a conversation down in the comments and see where it goes. Thanks for watching.